Got Annalise Parks in tonight. Busy day today, and sounds like maybe tomorrow again, right?
Yeah, we're going to have a couple of repeats, it looks like, in our forecast. So, which is not bad news altogether. It's just the localized flooding that we will be concerned with. It's that we're getting so much in a short amount of time, but we're still dealing with severe to moderate drought across the region. So again, we can still use some rain, and boy, are we going to get some. We've already seen some spots pick up 2 inches of rain from this afternoon and evening's batch of showers and storms. Rich tropical moisture is all across the region. And again, that is why we're going to talk about localized flooding as a concern in the coming days. On our radar, wanted to also point out, where is Tropical Storm Gordon? There across central and really now northwestern portions of Mississippi. It will continue on a track across the Ozarks, heading up around the Midwest, around the Great Lakes region, actually, dumping off flooding rains there from Arkansas up into Missouri eventually. Our look on the radar turning a lot quieter than what it was this evening. Those showers and storms diminishing as the sun went down. And at this point, we really don't have too much to show you. So there is a little bit of a lull in our activity after anywhere from about 1.5 inches fell up to 2 inches in some spots. There around Collin County, we did have some spots. Radar is estimating over 2 inches of rainfall. And again, more to go. Take a look. Tomorrow, 30% chance, going up to 50, even 60% chance on Saturday. So you're most likely to see that rain Friday and Saturday, where it's going to be the most widespread. As we take you through the overnight period and into tomorrow, the second half of the day will once again be our focus, especially along, very similar to today, along and west of I-35. Those scattered showers and storms dropping off heavy rain. So it's really going to make our temperatures kind of vary, where you're getting the rain out west, cooler temperatures, warmer temperatures off to the east. And then look at this, by Friday, we are seeing some widespread showers and storms as Tropical Storm Gordon actually helps to send a boundary this way. So a weak cold front swinging through Friday into Saturday. And again, those widespread showers and storms are going to stick around both Friday into Saturday. It looks like we will slowly start to see a bit of a drying trend try to unfold by Sunday into Monday. And as that's happening, temperatures in the 80s, both Saturday and Sunday, below average temperatures. We're looking to pick up some heavy rainfall amounts as well. Currently, the thinking is that the southern half, as we get into Friday, Saturday, picks up the higher amounts. So that could be anywhere from 1 to 2 inches. Perhaps there's some spots that get closer to 3 inches. We'll have to keep an eye on this forecast as it does get closer to time. Rest of tonight, quiet conditions. Look at our temperature, 79 DFW, Fort Worth 75. We're seeing that mostly cloudy setup. Temperatures are going to fall mainly into the mid-70s. And again, mentioning our forecast tomorrow, it really just depends if you're off to the east. A little bit of a warmer setup where we're expecting more clouds and some rain back off to the west. High temperatures will stay in the 80s. Forecast tonight, 76. Tomorrow's forecast, about 90 DFW. 30% chance for those scattered showers and storms. And then the weekend forecast ahead, quite soggy, especially the first half. Will start to dry out early next week. All right, stay with us. We've got more news after the break.